Not far from here are hills where ancestors died near Rerewhakaitu. Of course, you might have heard of the Puke Kaikahu where Rangi Katukua died, Tionga died, I believe, there, and others. They were ambushed by Tuhourangi.
And that was the last big battle between Te Arawa and Tuhourangi. A few years beforehand, Tuhourangi, under the leadership of our key ancestors, Tionga, his cousin Te Rangi Kātukua, Te Waha Kaikapua and Te Hurinui, fought a battle at over by Kawerau against Ngāti Awa. Different names for that particular battle, but one name is the Battle of Te Tumu. And it was there that Tionga slayed Te Ramaapakura. 2 years later, Tionga and Te Rangi Kātukua attacked Tuhourangi without any great casualty or success, and then returned. What then happened was Tuhourangi gathered en masse under the leadership of Te Purewa and came to Puke Kaikahu here. So from Ruatahuna over there, way over there, Tuhourangi gathered their people and trekked from Ruatahuna to Puke Kaikahu. Not sure exactly about the numbers of Tuhourangi that came, but it was a significant opetaua war party. This was a long way for Tuhourangi to come. And in terms of battles and victories, the ultimate victory was to defeat your opposition on their land. And so that's what Tuhourangi came here to do. What then happened was that the main body of the war party of Te Opetaua stayed here, and they sent a smaller group of around about 70 or 80 over, and that smaller group attacked Te Ariki, which was just at Tarawera, and then across the Moura, and then ran back to Puke Kaikahu. Our ancestors then pursued them from Tarawera back to here, and the main opetaua of Tuhourangi was waiting here for our ancestors who was pursuing them. And of course, by the time our ancestors got here, they were, well, not as energetic, and realised when they got here that we were in trouble. At the end of the day, Tuhourangi won the battle at Puke Kaikahu and Ngāti Awa. Thinking back to Te Ramaapakura a few years earlier, so it was Tuhourangi and Ngāti Awa. One of our toa Te Hurinui was slain here at Puke Kaikahu, and his widow, Hine Tūrama, composed Kaiora, or the Riz chant / haka, to commemorate the loss that occurred. And Hine Tūrama was from Ngāti Whakaua. A opetaua from Te Arawa again, and depending on whose numbers you accept, somewhere between 400 to 800 warriors from here went across to Tuhourangi to a pā called Te Taumato Te Riu. And the chief of that particular pā was Te Aihurangi. The purpose of us travelling over to Te Taumato Te Riu was to secure the head of Te Hurinui. So our warriors were slaughtered here, decapitated, and the heads were taken back to Tuhourangi. So at Te Taumato Te Riu, 400 to 800 warriors performed that particular haka, and Tuhourangi were amazed by the haka. Hence came the proverb, "Ko te tiri ki te rangi, ko te arawa ki te whenua." What then happened was Te Aihurangi returned the head to Hine Tūrama, and then a hākari or feast or celebration occurred for 3 days apparently, and that is regarded as te tatau pounamu, or the sealing of the peace treaty between Te Arawa and Tuhourangi.
Ra fiti fiti karere te kopere he atu